Hello? Hi students, good afternoon. Okay, see all of you. Redox reactions. Yesterday we discussed redox reaction sum. What are redox reactions? Redox reaction means a reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. That reaction is called redox reaction. In that redox reaction, oxidizing agent is there, reducing agent is there. What is oxidizing agent? The substance which oxidizes other substance is called oxidizing agent. It undergoes reduction. What is reducing agent? The substance which reduces other substance, but it undergoes oxidation. That is called reduction, oxidation, and redox reaction, oxidizing agent, and reducing agent. All those five definitions, all of you read about. Now, lecture task regarding redox reactions. All of you open material. Page number. All of you open material. Page number. Page number 43. Lecture task. Yesterday first bit completed. Second bit we will do next. So all of you note down third bit. In lecture task third bit. What is the third bit? Chlorine is passed into chlorine is Cl. Page number 43. Appearing sir. Page number 43. Third bit. Page number 43. Lecture task third bit. Chlorine is passed into dilute cold KOH. Dilute cold KOH. What are the oxidation numbers of? What are the oxidation numbers of chlorine? What are the oxidation numbers of chlorine in the products form? All of you see this question, where this chlorine is passed into dilute cold KOH. Then some products are formed. First we should write the equation. So all of you see equation. Chlorine Cl2 is passed means is react with KOH, potassium hydroxide. Chlorine react with potassium hydroxide. The products are potassium chloride KCl and potassium hypochloride KOCl. So to balance this equation, right side two potassium atoms are there. So we have to keep 2 here. So 2 potassium, 2 chlorine. 2 potassium, 2 chlorine. And 1 oxygen is there. Plus, what is the remaining? Out of 2 oxygens, 1 oxygen we written here. Still 1 oxygen is there. And 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So 1 oxygen, 2 hydrogens, nothing but H2O. So this is the equation. And these two are the products sum. So see once again, chlorine react with dilute cold potassium hydroxide, it gives potassium chloride and potassium hypochloride, KCl and KOCl. So these two are products. This is balanced equation. In these two products, we asked that what are the oxidation numbers of chlorine in the products formula. So we should calculate the oxidation number of chlorine in KCl, and we should calculate the oxidation number of chlorine in KOCl. So KCl, what is the oxidation number of chlorine? And in KOCl, what is the oxidation number of chlorine? What is the oxidation number of potassium here? Let it be +1. Why? Because it is first year group element potassium. So the potassium oxidation number is +1. And the chlorine oxidation number, we should calculate that chlorine oxidation number. So let it be Xm. So the sum of the oxidation numbers of all the atoms in a molecule is equal to 0. Potassium oxidation number is 1 plus Cl oxidation number is X is equal to 0. Then X is equal to -1. So in KCl, the Cl oxidation number is -1. In the same way in KOCl, the chlorine oxidation number. Potassium oxidation number is +1. Why? Because it is alkali metal, first year group element. And oxygen oxidation number is -2. General oxidation number. It is not peroxide, it is not superoxide. And let it be X. The oxidation number of chlorine is X. Why? Because that only we should calculate. So the sum of the oxidation states is equal to 0. So potassium oxidation state is +1 plus oxygen oxidation state is -2. So -2 plus Cl oxidation state is X is equal to 0. So +1 -1 -1 plus X. So X -1 is equal to X1. X is equal to +1. So what is the answer? +1 comma -1. +1 and -1. In KOCl, the Cl oxidation number is +1. In KCl, the Cl oxidation number is -1. You should remember that equation also. When chlorine reacts with the KOH, what are the products formed? KCl and KOCl. In these two compounds, he asked for the oxidation number of chlorine. All of you know down. So answer is +1 -1. So option 4 is the correct answer. Now raise your hand. How many students understood that problem? How many students understood that problem? Raise your hand. Please note down and raise your hand. How many students understood that one? Okay, first note down. So first question completed, third question completed. And yesterday we completed fourth question, fifth question, and sixth question also. Level 1. Level 2, seventh question also completed. Level 2, seventh question also completed. So now coming to eighth question in level 2. Eighth question, all of you note down eighth question. Who will read the eighth question? Please read. Anyone? Eighth question. Bhaveshri. Bhaveshri, read up.
3Cu plus 8 HNO3 gives rise. 3Cu NO3 twice
NO3 taken twice.
plus 2 NO plus 4 H2O. Correct statement is.
What are the statements, Amma?
Cu is oxidized. Cu is reduced. Cu is reduced. HNO3 is oxidant. Oxidant.
Okay.
None.
All of you note down this question. Please mute yourself, Amma. So now, what is the given question? 3Cu, all of you see Amma, plus 8 HNO3 gives rise to 3CuNO3 taken twice plus 2NO plus 4H2O. So first we identify which one is oxidized and which is reduced. So in this equation, first we should calculate the oxidation number of Cu and oxidation number of Cu on both sides. What is the oxidation number of Cu? It is elementary form. Elementary form means what is the oxidation number of Cu? 0. What is the oxidation number of Cu on right side? We should calculate that one. So let the Cu oxidation state, let it be X. It is nitrate ion, NO3 minus, nitrate ion. Remember some points. Sulfate ion, SO4 minus 2. If SO4 is there, the oxidation number is minus 2. If NO3 is there, the oxidation number is minus 1. Nitrate ion. So how many NO3 is there here? 2. NO3 ions, 2 ions are there. Each NO3 minus, each NO3 oxidation state is minus 1. So X plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 0. In rough one, you do that one now. CuNO3 taken twice. Let the Cu oxidation number, let it be X. NO3 oxidation state is minus 1. So substitute this value X plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to how much number? Plus 2. Appearing? So X is equal to plus 2. So what is X here? Cu oxidation number in CuNO3 taken twice. That is plus 2. All of you calculate this also. NO3 oxidation state is minus 1, nitrate. So X plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 2. So here left side Cu oxidation state is 0 and right side Cu oxidation state is plus 2. Increases. The oxidation number is increases. Remember that point. Oxidation number increases means that is oxidation. Oxidation. So Cu is oxidized. Cu is oxidized. So this is correct one. Cu is oxidized. Cu is oxidized means HNO3 is oxidizing agent. Means HNO3 oxidant. Means oxidizing agent. So why it is oxidizing agent? A substance which oxidize other substance. So it is called oxidizing agent. Yesterday we discussed C in your class one. So it is oxidizing agent and Cu is oxidized. So both will come 1 and 3. All of you note down. Simple. Cu oxidation number increases from 0 to plus 2. So Cu undergoes oxidation. By which one it react with this undergoes oxidation? By reacting with HNO3. So it is oxidizing agent. So HNO3 is oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is nothing but oxidant. All of you note down. So 2, 1 and 3 correct answers. Now coming to assertion reason. Question number 9 in page number 44. All of you note down question number 9 in page number 44. Sunday online exam is there for you. The syllabus is oxidation number. This week syllabus number. This week syllabus. Oxidation number, student task onwards. Oxidation number, student task. And oxidation, reduction, redox reaction in worksheet. Page number. Sunday examination syllabus in worksheet. Page number 40, student task onwards. Page number 42, student task. Page number 40, student task 2. Up to tomorrow's class number. Up to tomorrow's syllabus. Okay? Page number 40, student task 2 up to tomorrow. Lecture task and student task. Okay, now coming to 8th question. 8th question completed. 9th question, assertion reason. So all of you see 9th question, assertion is given. What is the assertion? Who will read that question number from other branch? 9th question, assertion. Assertion.
Sir, Jashwant Sai, Chintal.
Jashwant Sai, Chintal. Chintal Jashwant Sai.
Good
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir,
Ah,
with me book matter, sir.
it is not. Next, another one. Kartikeya, Chintal.
Good afternoon, sir.
Say what is the extension? Okay, resound coming command. Please answer. So all of you see the extension. Ninth question extension. 2 KMnO4 plus 16 HCl gives rise to 5 Cl2 plus 2 MnCl2 plus 2 KCl plus 8 H2O is a redox reaction. That is assertion. What is assertion? 2 KMnO4 plus 16 HCl gives rise to 5 Cl2 plus 2 MnCl2 plus 2 KCl plus H2O is a redox reaction. It is assertion. Is it true or false? Redox reaction means it contains both oxidation and reduction. So we are going to check whether it is redox reaction or not. So first we have to calculate the oxidation number of Mn in KMnO4. What is the oxidation number of Mn in KMnO4? All of you calculate that one. The oxidation number of K is +1. Why? Because that is first A group element plus Mn oxidation state is X. That only we should calculate. Plus 4 into each oxidation state is -2. The sum of the oxidation numbers of all the atoms in a molecule is nothing but 0. So 1 plus x minus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to +7. So in MnO4, KMnO4, Mn oxidation state is +7. In the same way, in MnCl2, what is the oxidation state of Mn? We should calculate the oxidation state of same elements on left side and both sides, left side and right side. Mn, unknown elements. Unknown elements, the oxidation states we should calculate. We know the oxidation state of potassium and oxygen. So that's why we should calculate Mn oxidation state. So let the oxidation state of Mn, let it be X. Cl oxidation state is -1 now. So how many chlorine atoms are there? 2. So plus 2 into -1 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to +2. So in MnCl, Mn oxidation state is +2. So here Mn oxidation state +7 to +2. What is the meaning? Decreases. Oxidation state decreases means that is reduction. Remember that point. Oxidation number decreases, so that is reduction. Oxidation number increases means oxidation. So it is reduction. It is reduction. And coming to Cl, we have calculated oxidation number of Cl and Cl here. So in HCl, what is the oxidation number of Cl? All of you note down this also. In HCl, oxidation number of Cl means H plus Cl minus 1. So the oxidation number of Cl is -1 here. The oxidation number of Cl is here 0. Why? Because it is elementary form. Only chlorine is there, does not combine with any other atom. So its oxidation state is 0. So here oxidation number -1 to 0. -1 to 0 means increases. The number line is like this sum. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here -1, -2, -2. So increases. -1 to 0 means increases. So increases means it is oxidation. It is oxidation. So the reaction contains both oxidation and reduction. A reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Such reaction is called redox reaction. So assertion is true. This reaction is redox reaction. Assertion is true. All of you see reason. What is the reason? A reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously is called redox reaction. So reason also correct. Both are correct. Correct explanation. Option 1 number. So ninth question, both are correct. Correct explanation. Answer 1. Reason also you give it correct one. Why it is called redox reaction? It contains both oxidation and reduction. That's why it is redox reaction. So correct answer. Both are correct. Correct explanation. Now coming to matching. 10th question. All of you see matching number. You write this also. Calculate the oxidation number of Mn and oxidation number of Mn on both sides. And calculate the oxidation number of Cl and Cl on both sides. One is oxidation, other one is reduction number. Now coming to next one, 10th question, matching. All of you see very important matching. Sunday online exam is there. Saturday you prepare well. Page number 40 to page number 44. One student task, one lecture task, and again one student task, exam syllabus. And redox reaction, oxidation, reduction, reducing agent, oxidizing agent definitions also. Okay. Now coming to matching, all of you see that matching 10th one. A column 1. Cr gives Cl. Cr gives Cl. B easy matching of M minus 2 gives rise to X plus 5V minus. Third one, Fe2 plus 2 electrons gives rise to 2F minus. And fourth one, Pb3O4. First one is column 2. X is equal to M power 3. Second one, Cr is oxidized. Third one, good oxidizing agent. Fourth one, F is reduced. Who will say this matching number? Who will say this matching? Raise your hand. From Yapur branch. Fast. Simple. Now who will say that answer? From any branch. Answer in that matching only. CR is there, CR it is CR. So second option. Okay, I only say C all of you. CR gives rise to CrCl3. Here CR is oxidized now. In 4 options CR, only second option is left, so CR is oxidized. Why CR is oxidized? See here. The given equation is CR gives rise to CrCl3. What is the oxidation state of Cr? 0. Why? Because it is elementary form. Here the oxidation state of Cr, let it be X. 3 Cl atoms are there, plus 3 into minus 1 is equal to 0. So X minus 3 is equal to 0, X is equal to plus 3. So in CrCl3, Cr oxidation state is increases from 0 to plus 3. Increases means that is oxidation. So Cr is oxidized around. Simple. Now coming to second one, B. All of you note down this also. Answer. What is the second one? M minus 2 gives rise to X plus 5 electrons. Plus 5 electrons means here plus 2 electrons means electrons added on. Right side plus electrons means electrons are removed. So from minus 2, 5 electrons are removed. From minus 2, 5 electrons are removed. So what is the M value? M3. How we will get M3? See all of you. From minus 2, how many electrons are removed? 5 electrons. So from minus 2, removed means minus. How many electrons removed? 5 electrons. What is the charge of electron? Negative charge. So minus 5. Simple. Minus 2, minus 5 electrons are removed. Removed means minus. So minus 2 minus of minus 5. How much? Minus 2 plus 5, 3 plus 2. So what is the M3 will get? So option 1. Now coming to next one. Here electrons are gained. Gaining of electrons, addition of electrons means that is reduction. So fluorine is reduced. Fluorine is reduced. Simple. So last one, it is a good oxidizing agent. That is a good oxidizing agent. All of you note down. Here chromium oxidation number is increases. That's why chromium is oxidized. You should remember one point. In oxidation, oxidation number is increased. In reduction, oxidation number is decreased. That is very important point. So your oxidation number are increased, so it is oxidized. Here -2, 5 electrons are removed. On the right side means electrons removed. So -2 minus 5 electrons. Electron charge is negative charge. So -2 plus 5 plus 3. So M value is 3, M3. Here addition of electrons means that is reduction. So F is reduced. It is a good oxidizing agent. So 2143 is the matching answer. 2143. 11th one, 12th one, I given homework yesterday. 11th one, 12th one, I given homework yesterday. All of you show your homework. 11th one, 12th one. All of you show your homework. 11th one, 12th one. 11th one, 12th one. Show your homework. 11th one, 12th one. I given homework. Okay. Kottagudem Yashwant. Kottagudem Ritvika.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Otherwise, you send to my WhatsApp number. Only some members only send to my.
Sir, I sent. Hello, sir.
Okay. Are you listening? Okay, Amma. So many members sent to my WhatsApp number. Very good. So 10th question answer. So all of you see 10th question. So what is the 10th question answer? So 10th question is Fe H2O. Sorry, 11th question. Fe H2O SO4. So what is the 11th question answer? Okay, the 11th question answer is that the Fe oxidation state, that is Bx, H2 oxidation state is 0, Y is neutral molecule, SO4 oxidation state is -1. So it's equal to 0, X is equal to plus. In the same way, come to question, all of you see the question, CO NH3 CONH3 Cl2. CONH3Cl. So what is the oxidation state of CO here? CO means cobalt. So let it be X plus NH3 is neutral molecule 0 plus 2 into Cl oxidation state is -1. 2 into -1 is equal to 0. So X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 2. All of you note down 11th one and 12th one. Now we are going to student task. So student task first bit. Who will read that student task first bit? Hansika Miyapur. Hansika. Hansika.
Hello, sir.
Read Amma.
Student task first bit, sir.
Student task first question. Active task completed. Page number 44. Student task first question.
Iron in lowest oxidation number is in
Iron symbol.
Fe.
Iron in
Lowest oxidation state
lowest oxidation state
is in
is in. Okay. First option.
FeSO4.7H2O.
FeSO4.7H2O. Second option.
FeCO taken 5.
FeCO taken twice. Third option.
Fe0.940.
Fe
0.940.
0.940.
Fe3O4.
Fe3O4. So in which question was that? Please mute yourself on. In which option iron having least oxidation number? So in all options we should calculate the iron oxidation state. So let the oxidation state of Fe, let it be X. In first option, SO4 oxidation state is -2 plus 7 into H2 oxidation state is 0 is neutral molecule is equal to 0. So X minus 2 is equal to 0, X is equal to plus 2. So in first option, oxidation state of Fe is +1. Now coming to second option, let the oxidation state of Fe, let it be X plus 5 into oxidation state of CO. It is neutral molecule, so it is 0 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So in second option, X value is 0. In first option, X value is +2. Now coming to third option, let the oxidation state of Fe is X. So here how many Fe atoms are there? 0.94. So 0.94x. Simple amount. If 2x are there, so you have to keep 2x. 2 Fe atoms are there. Here 0.94 atoms are there. So 0.94 into x minus O oxidation state is -2 is equal to 0. Then what is x value? 0.94x is equal to +2. Then x is equal to 2. Here into is there between them. 2 by 0.94. Okay, sir. 2 by 0.94. Now coming to fourth one, oxidation state of Fe, let it be x. How many? 3. So 3 into x, 3x plus 4 into oxygen oxidation state is -2. 4 into -2 is equal to 0. Then 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by 3 means 2.6. So observe carefully. In which option? In which option? Observe carefully. Two by 0.94. So 0 is the lowest value. So second option is the correct one. All of you note down this first bit. All of you note down option 2 is the correct one. Now coming to second question. Second question. Who will read that second question? All of you note down. అయిపోయింది. రుత్విక కొత్తగూడెం. రుత్విక సేమ్.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Say second question, please. Second question.
Oxidation state of nitrogen is not an integer in.
Second question. Oxidation state of nitrogen is
Not an integer
integer.
in
In first option,
hydroxyl amine.
amine. What is the formula of hydroxylamine?
NH2OH.
Second option,
Ammonia.
formula
NH3.
NH3. Third option, all of you know down.
Hydrogen. Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. What is that?
N2H4.
Hydrogen N2H4. Next one,
Hydrozoic acid N3H.
very good. Okay, please mute yourself. So all of you calculate in each option nitrogen oxidation state. All of you calculate in each option nitrogen oxidation state. Here what is the oxidation state of nitrogen? Here what is the oxidation state of nitrogen? Here what is the oxidation state of nitrogen? And here what is the oxidation state of nitrogen? So let the oxidation state of nitrogen, let it be X. Hydrogen oxidation state is 1. How many hydrogens are there? 2. So 2 into plus 1. Oxygen oxidation state is -2. Plus again hydrogen oxidation state is plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 2 into 1 -2 plus 1. Hydrogen oxidation state is plus 1, oxygen oxidation state is -2, hydrogen oxidation state is plus 1. So X plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. X plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to -1. So in first option, nitrogen oxidation state is -1. All of you note down. In the same way, you only calculate nitrogen oxidation state in second one, and nitrogen oxidation state in third option, and nitrogen oxidation state in fourth option. In which option it is not an integer? Integer means this is the integer line only. 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, or -1, -2, -3. These are integers. Here -1, it is integer, so it is not correct answer, like that. So now coming to second option, that the oxidation state of nitrogen is X. Hydrogen oxidation state is plus 1. How many hydrogens are there? 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 0. So X plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to -. So here also we got integer value, -. So it is also not correct answer. Not integer. Not integer means either positive or negative values. Integers. Not integers means fractions. Fractions are not integers. Now coming to third one, in N2O4, what is N2H4? What is the oxidation state of nitrogen? That the nitrogen oxidation state is X. 2 nitrogen atoms are there, so 2 into X plus 4 hydrogens are there, so 4 into plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to -4. X is equal to -4 by 2 minus. So this is also integer. Integer means either -1, -2, -3, or +1, +2, +3, etc. Those are integers. So integer, integer, integer. In fourth option, oxidation state of nitrogen, let it be X. 3 nitrogens are there. 3 into X. X hydrogen oxidation state is +1 is equal to 0. Then 3x is equal to -1. +1 becomes -1. Then x is equal to -1 by 3. So it is not integer. So it is the correct answer. All of you note down. Fourth answer is the correct one. Third question, homework question number. You only do that question. The student task, page number 44. Third question, homework. So what is the third question? I am writing on board third question. First write the second question. Third question, homework. Third question is, the oxidation state of phosphorus is maximum in. The oxidation state of P. P means phosphorus is maximum in first option pH3. Did you complete this one? All of you complete this problem. First option pH3. The second option is pH3 means phosphate. We should calculate the oxidation state in the first option. Second one is diphosphate P2H4. In the P2H4 we should calculate the oxidation state of P. And third option, metaphosphoric acid. Metaphosphoric acid, third option, that is HPO3. In this HPO3 you should calculate oxidation state of P. And the fourth option is phosphorus acid, H3PO3. In this option we should calculate oxidation state of Pm. So in four options we should calculate first oxidation number of phosphorus. In which option the oxidation number of phosphorus is maximum? That is the answer. So all of you note down, simple. All of you do this problem. Okay, I am sending to my WhatsApp number. This is the homework problem. Now coming to fourth question. All of you see fourth question. Fourth question. When, simple question number, fourth one. All of you note down homework. Fourth question. When Cl minus ions are converted to Cl minus ions are converted to Cl. Cl minus ions are converted to Cl2. The oxidation number of chlorine changes. The oxidation number of chlorine changes from. Simple question. All of you know down fourth question. When Cl minus ions are converted to Cl2, the oxidation number of chlorine changes from. So this is the fourth question in student task. Online exam syllabus up to this student task. Tomorrow maximum we will complete the student task. Okay. So all of you see fourth question. Cl minus ions are converted to Cl. Cl minus ions are converted to Cl. So what is the change in oxidation number? What is the oxidation number of Cl minus in left side? -1. So oxidation state of Cl is -1. What is the oxidation number of chlorine right side? 0. So oxidation number of chlorine -1 to 0. So what is the change? -1 to 0. So that is the answer. Option 1. Option 1 is the correct answer. So this is the homework. All of you do this homework. Okay, students. Tomorrow we will continue bits on. Okay. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you once again. Sorry.